He just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, time's picking it up. Let's go. Anyway, he never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even is starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him 'cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help, to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. Skill of the artist, this is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, 'cause Ryder was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Why you had the stupidest verses? Dude, is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots. His socks through the roof. I heard him with that stock. 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. They call him Ryder, he's sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer. He's hot, found him in Fort Minor with top. Nihilist porcupine, he's a the type women wanna be within rappers. Hope he gets 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record we should notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of that comes out of this kid's throat top. He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He don't think it's a comment on his name. He keep asking him, was it giving that person does he stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best. Dedicated to what they do and give 100%. Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line, and I've seen him at work when not like goes on in his mind. It's like it's designed, it's written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those other fellas he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do this? It's 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck.
Mua naurattaa, kun poliisit ei yllä papereita kiinni saa. Ne kaasuttaa lämää ja poliisia hämää. 5 kertaa epsuja täs pakopäsi tänään. Saattaa poliisia hieman vituttaa, kun moppopojat omat tunnon alas tiputtaa. Taas yks päivä, minkä takia sali puttaa. Kilpee katuun, antakaa latuu. Jos joskus kaatuu, ei saa maatuu. Kullikin sen huomaa, nyt on hyvä suoraan. Nostan keulaa, mut viekin ne seuraa. Vielä jolla jäähtyy monta kertaa kiis. Sille kyllä täytyy kääntää visiri. Asiasta toiseen ja sitä 4T. Ville keuli niin, et silmä kirvelee. Lahjakalle paperille pitää nostaa hattua. Jos ajattelet turraa, niin kun se on vielä sattuu. Komperiksi tulee vaatii aika rahaikee. Kyllä paha aika pelotaan aina kun kilpi osuu pikee. Pikokemun alla palaa kumiasfaltilla. Silloin tuntuu, että jo voimii jumalilla. Mitä vittu liikenteessä tekee punasilla? Ennen pysytä voiksi myös pirunmunasilla. Kumiketku haisee ja vanhukset huutaa. Tämä on se tapa, jolla palvoimme puuta. Naapurit kitisee, isä äiti vikisee. Liian paljon viriä, käytätkö sä piriä? Kilpee katuun, antakaa latuu. Jos joskus kaatuu, ei saa maatuu. Kullikin sen huomaa, nyt on hyvä suoraan. Nostan keulaa, mut viekin ne seuraa. Näin on on jekevikki, toitte tulevia kuninkaita. Ei tätä pystytä, vaikka sieltä tulisi isoita. Ylihypätte sitten omalla tyylillä. Siinä vaiheessa sananvalta ei oo edes kyylillä. Pikkupojat ei ottaisiko kuunnellut isää. Ne huutelee meille, että keuliko lisää. Sieltä tulee Mikko vetää keuliringistä lisää. Joku kaatu taas, mutta ei voi enää mitään. Kilpee katuun, antakaa latuu. Jos joskus kaatuu, ei saa maatuu. Kullikin sen huomaa, nyt on hyvä suoraan. Nostan keulaa, mut miehin ne seuraa. Ylöjärvi VP, Ylö B, Ylö B, VP, Ylöjärvi. Vanha Ylö B, Ylö Bomberit, Ylöjärvi. Hope, Ylö B, Ylö B, VP, Ylöjärvi. Kiitos Ylö B, Ylö Bomberit. Mikko Kepunalla palaa kumiat vatilla. Silloin tuntuu ettei oo voimi jumalilla. Mitä vittu liikettä se tekee punasilla? Ei ne pysäytä vaikka edes piilun punasilla. Kuminkätky haisee ja vanhukset huutaa. Tämä on tapa jolla palvomme kuutaan. Naapurit miten se ja isä eti vikisee. Liian paljon viriä käytettynsä kirjaa. Kilpee katuu, antakaa latuu. Jos joskus kaatuu, ei saa maatuu. Kullikin sen huomaa, nyt on hyvä suoraan. Nostan keulaa, mut miekin ne seuraa.
Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Tomorrow is another day. Today is another bomb. Escalation, devastation, generation, separation, situation, dissipation, shot. Another shot, the tender vessel crushing, pop the hardest, hold the gun, it's hot shot. I'm not sure if they done or not, I'm not sure that they wanna stop, the gun is cold, the blood is hot shot. Shot, 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 shot. The hearts are weak, the guns are not.
You hear a whistling overhead, are you alive or are you dead? It's only Thursday.
What time is it?
You feel the shaking of the ground, a million candles burn around. Is it your birthday?
What time is it?
Tomorrow never
Get
comes
tomorrow on the phone.
too late.
Try to reach tomorrow. Get tomorrow on the phone.
Tomorrow never comes
I need to see tomorrow.
too late.
Try to reach tomorrow.
Think tomorrow's come, I think it's too late.
Another day. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow is another day.
Waking up to ash and dust, I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones. Enough to make my system blow. hasn't died. Deep in my bones, straight from inside.